Hello, it's Plays here, and today we are reviewing Transformers Legacy Predacon Sandstorm. Here's his box. There's the artwork of him in his Beast Mode, Transformers Legacy, Predacon Sandstorm, Transformers, Generations, Takara, Robot Mode artwork. There's Sandstorm, it says Predacon Sandstorm, is the Predacon logo. The artwork for Legacy, the bottom. And here's Sandstorm. I do a bit to make him look taller, look different than Scorponok. But it comes with the same accessories, the Wasp, and then the missiles. Here he is. And for comparison, we have Shadow Panther, my next review. And there's his face. The orange, the tan, the yellows. It looks nice. I like the fading on it. I like having that waist extended. It gives him more accurate proportions. His head is on a ball joint. It can twist and look up. His arms rotate, out, swivel, elbow bend, wrist rotation. And rotation at the waist, forward, not so much back, knee, swivel, ankle tilt. This one also has toe down. This one has half a toe down. Okay, now for transformation. You get the tail back. You spread out the arms. You open up this. You flip back the scorpion head, flip it out. There you have that. You flip in his arms. You flip them out like this. Now you grab his waist. Figure out how to put it. And then that tabs in back here. His waist does. Now do for the put the leg like that. Put it through. Apparently did not do this leg correctly. There we go. Now this should be done. Now you flip down the legs. And then you set them down. And here you have Sandstorm in his beast mode. He looks nice. Very Scorpion-like. I think his Scorpion mode it looks better than Scorponok's. Like the purples, the tans, the oranges, and the red beady eyes. That's his face. His claws open and close. I think you can put them like this, but I don't like how that looks. I like how they open like this, like how the silhouette is. And here's him in Scorpion mode. His tail goes back, forward. This is on ball joint. These are on ball joints. The ball joint here and here. can technically do this. But I don't like how that looks. But here he is compared next to Cliff Jumper. And that's it for Sandstorm. I like him, but I like their Beast Wars Rave hands. No, dope. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment what you want to see next. Thank you.